Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pickle the dinosaur from Moriah Elizabeth. So let's get started. To draw a cute Pickle, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. Start with a circle. And I'm going to give it a slight angle. I'm going to come at a slight angle, say about this area, and I'm going to draw another circle. And this circle is going to be slightly bigger. So something like this. So it's just slightly bigger. And then I'm going to come in here and give it a little highlight. So just a little circle right there and then shade it in. The original doesn't have a highlight, but I thought I would add a little sparkle to Pickle's eye right here. So I'm giving a little highlight. And then from there, let's come above this eye and we're going to draw a curve over it. So we're going to start to draw the head. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point right over the eye. And I'm going to start to draw a soft curve. And then from there, at this point, I'm going to start to come around and draw the snout. So I think in this drawing, this is the trickiest part. So just right in this area, just two curves. From there, let's start to draw a snout that nicely goes around. So let's say about right here. Nice and round. Let's come on this side. So we can go back and forth. So draw the head. Let's bring this around. So let's keep going. So nice round curve, and then this side as well. So let's just kind of bring it back to the same level. So this is going to start to come down. So there, that's the basic shape, this nice round snout area, and then the head coming down. So now that we're about the same level, let's bring this in a little bit more. About right there. Okay, so then from there, let's come back up here in this area, kind of following the same angle as the eyes. About right here, I'm going to draw the snout. So one's going to be really close to the edge right here. And then the other one at the same angle is going to come about right here and draw another one. So this one's going to be slightly bigger, just like the eyes. So two little ovals. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so from there we've got the hardest part done. Okay, so let's come from there. Let's start to draw the tummy. So I'm going to come right in this area, kind of like under this eye. So about right here. I'm going to start and draw a curve for the tummy area. And then let's start to bring this down. So let's go back and forth to build our dinosaur. And let's come back here. I'm going to start to bring it in. So, say about right there, I'll stop. I think that's about long enough. Then from there, let's break it. Right here, I'm going to start to draw a curve for the feet. So it's just a curve right there. Let's round it off. The bottom, and let's add a little curve right here, and then let's start the tail. So we know the feet's, well, let's come down here. Since we're down here, let's come and start to draw the bottom. So let's start the tail now that we know this is going to be our bottom area. Let's curve this out and start our tail. So let's go back and forth once again. So let's bring this across. And from there we can start to draw a little tail. Curve and down. There. Okay, so then from there, let's start to draw the arms. I'm going to come in this area, in the center of the tummy area. So I'll say about right here. And I'm going to start to draw a curve Comes down close to the tummy, round it off, and bring it in. And let's come in here, 2 curves. And then same thing on this side. So the other arm's going to be about right here. So let's come out, curve, and bring it in. And then add a little curve right here. And then for the foot on the other side, so say about right here, I'm going to start and just bring in a curve. And that is pretty much for the body part. So then now the spine, the scales on the back. So let's start about, let's say, right here. And we're going to start to draw a bunch of curves all the way down its back. So let's start with 1. Just going to follow Pickle's, how many curves it has. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curves. So another one. This one's going to be the biggest. And that comes out, and 2 more. So smaller, and then smaller, and in. So then from there, we're pretty much done, except there's some pattern right here on the back. So I'm going to start with a heart right here. So I hope Moriah doesn't mind. I'm going to change this pattern into a heart, so I can make it kind of like my Draw So Cute Pickle from Moriah, of course. And then from there, I'm going to surround it with a bunch of circles and patterns, just like the original design. So here and there, I'm going to add the little dots of color. So Moriah, if you're watching this, I hope you don't mind I changed this to a heart. So there, hope I've helped you draw Pickle the dinosaur. And if you're going to color it, just add dots of color right here on the spikes. And I think Moriah is selling the plush version of this Pickle right here. So make sure to check it out if you love this dinosaur. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.